What's the guys, the boy TC and back with another video. So basically today what we're gonna do is spin for a draw that I refreshed. Wrong place, not there. Why did I refresh the draw? Right. It was in the shop, the For You. So yeah, we have the legendary helicopter. And the legendary chopper. And we have the legendary wingsuit, you understand? Someone don't even have that in the. I don't even have that. I'm about to get it. But for the like, share, subscribe, turn notification, you understand? Share to your grandmother and your auntie. Check the speed. So yeah. So what are the first 10 spin? Guys, like the Bombo Clan video. Y'all want CP? Like the video. Share. More subscribers equals tournament equals CP for you and your mother. Basically that's what we're doing right about now then. So let's get into the video. So we have first 10 spin. First 10. First 10. First 10. Get the emote. I really like the emote. Look at that. First 50. First 50. 50. What do you get for this spin there? Get the truck. I don't know why does the sound kind of off. Anyways, 50, I'll get 50 there. You understand, guys? Guys, like the stream. Say, follow my TikTok, me say almost 1,000 followers, almost there, me say 120 CP. What you gonna get there? 120 CP. 120 CP. But we almost got the wingsuit. But there's the wingsuit and nothing I wanted. The wingsuit and the helicopter. Come on, wingsuit helicopter. Wingsuit helicopter. Wingsuit helicopter. Fucking bug. Oh! We get the wingsuit in the model account. If you got one time. Yeah. One time in the model account. Same speed too. You don't know this speed earlier. Just because I got a mongrel there. Alright, come on. Chopper now. Chopper now. Chopper now. Come on. Chopper. 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 Fucking mongrel. Are you a fucking dirty smelling mongrel? Let's go. Chopper. 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 What do you think you want to chop in mother country? Oi! Come on. Give me chopper. Chopper. Why do that smelling looking Jackie Chan looking character? Chopper. Chopper. Well, it is a fucking scam. Bitch ass scam, nigga. Nice. Equip that. So yeah. Basically we have the wingsuit and we have the chopper. What is this? Go to this. I can't make a fucking zombie. What from that thing? I think I got zombie. Go to battery. Let me go and go on vehicles. My chopper. Show material. Yes. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, we have a legendary chopper and legendary wingsuit. Page Adidel. You understand? So yeah, guys, that was the joke, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the notification. Remember to see. And I'm out.